In this quick video guide, I want to show you this website for artificial intelligence, which is called Krea.ai, and it contains a lot of tools that you can use to generate videos, generate images, enhance images that you want to like increase in terms of quality and upgrade, upscale, and also videos. And you also have a really cool real-time instant AI generator that you can just use to work in real time. And I think it's one of the first that I see. So if you're interested also in other apps, in other AI tools, you can check the playlist, or you can check the channel. Also, you can check for graphic design courses, etc., etc. Now up here we can go in the gallery. You can see some examples of other people's generation. So you can generate basically anything with any style. So if you want cartoonish, realistic, you want illustration, drawings, sketches, and also like photorealism, architecture, design, etc., etc. Now before we go into real-time generator, we have like the classic tools that usually you have in other AI apps, and of course you need to sign up or and then log in, and they're gonna send you an email with a code once you do that. So there is a free trial, a free version, and then you have like a paid version, which is not really expensive. But anyway, you can start using it for free just by typing here some prompts. So I'm gonna type here like Santa Claus. I want to create like Santa Claus DJ image, since we are about in Christmas time, so Christmas Eve. And here we can also choose styles. We can give some references to the generator so that we can guide him towards a specific illustration style, or photo style, or sketches again, etc., etc. So you have so many. These are all from Krea, but also have more from the community. So we can continue here. I'm just gonna pick one. I like this color here, this effect, which is kind of a little bit cartoonish, but also pretty realistic. So I'm gonna click generate, and there you go. Within seconds, I have the first images that have been generated for me, starting from that reference style, and I think they're looking already cool and great. But I can also click retry and start all over to generate more options. And when I like one of these, I can select it and proceed with that one. So I can publish. I can also go for a new session. I can stay here, add prompts, add references, change the style, and so on. So you have all the tools here in the interface, which is really easy to understand. Now, for example, if I like this one here, I can say that I can use that and proceed for that one. So instead of like going back to zero, I can continue from a certain image and refine and refine and refine until I get really close to what I have in mind. So I can click like, I can download, I can create a video out of this if I want. Now, if I download it, just gonna download it here in this folder. There we go. I can open it up, and then I can make with this image anything I want. So I can put it in Photoshop, in GIMP, or in Canva, or Pixar, continue from there, or just staying here and going forward with this. So if you want, you can also generate videos. That's also a great feature, but this is for, you need to create an account, like a paid account to unlock this. So you cannot generate videos using the free trial. And that's a pity, but if you are interested here, you have the prices, so you can see all you get with the different plans. So you need to change to a paid plan. And let's continue here. Let's see what else we can do. We can generate videos as we saw, but again, we need to go for a more professional plan. And then you have animator, which I also think is pretty cool. So here you just add keyframes, and then the AI is going to generate the animation for you. So also you can apply more prompts in there. So instead of using just one, you can create two, and then it's going to automatically generate like a morphing animation. It's going to go from one to the other, and then you have a lot of other settings here. This is just, an overview, but it's so easy that once you get here, you can just start to experiment and you get the idea. You can download also this, you can upscale, you can change the style, and you can change the prompts. So if you go here, you can delete this, you can upload your image, you can generate random images, you can change here the prompts or generate random prompts, and once you're happy, you can continue. So here also in the settings, you can change the aspect ratio, the motion intensity if you want something pretty animated or less, and then you have the possibility to have a video loop that it can go like infinite times. So if I now well, I need to generate, so to see the new animation, I can generate with this new image. So now you can see that the result is different from before, and I have another generation, another video animation that I can play in loop, and it can go like forever. Now, if I go to the assets, these are the assets that I already created. So if I select one and I want to have more, or I want to upgrade it, I want to upscale. Well, here on the right side, we have all the information. So the dimensions, when it was generated, the image and the style that I've used. And now I can go here and turn this into a video again from here. I can publish, I can just upscale, and that's gonna enhance the image. So it's gonna make it like bigger. It's gonna make it 4K or 8K if I want. So if I click enhance, I just need to wait a few minutes, and I'm gonna have a higher quality, well, higher detail image. So there are some tools here at the bottom right to show you the old and the new image, so you can compare. So you can see the new one has a lot more details added than the previous. So just click and drag this line to see before and after. And again, it looks really amazing, it looks really cool, it looks really detailed, but you can do more. So if I open up this, just gonna show you here that is gonna show up here again in this panel, and now I can proceed. So you can also train artificial intelligence by sending images of the same style, phase, objects, and you can read all the instructions here. So basically, when you want to do something more specific and train the AI of Krea to analyze your images and learn from them some specific aspects to get closer to want to create. And then you can edit, so you can rearrange objects, you can have multiple images, and it looks like you need an access code here. So I'm gonna go back to the home. So again, you have so many tools in this website that you can use. I want to show you the last one, which I think is also the coolest, which is real-time generator. So you can access from here to generate real-time, and or you can also click directly in here. So when you open it up, you have like these two shapes, and then you have that background, and essentially this works real time. So depending on how you rearrange the graphics here is going to generate a different image. So this looks like a sunset, and the pink, and this is now something different, looks like a tunnel. So depending on how you arrange the various shapes, so you have like vector graphics shapes that you can add and move around, and you also have like brushes. You can paint and you can erase. So you cannot erase vector graphics, but you can paint and then erase. And you can also generate images in an area in there, and you can change colors, and also you can change here different references. So if you do like random style, you have different styles, and that's gonna use the graphics on the left to generate the AI image on the right by using your kind of arrangement and the style that you see there on the right. And also you can change the prompts down here, so, and the strength of the AI in using your reference on the left by applying them on the right. So let's change the prompts and let's again use Santa Claus. So I'm gonna use again my initial idea. So DJ Santa Claus playing Auto Party, and again there you go. So it's generating real time. So many options. Again, you can upscale, you can download, you can um, move forward with other tools. So you can see that as I change here the position of these few graphic elements, it's going to generate already some different results. So there you go. So you can play around with all these. And I continue to play with these tools, also using brushes, etc., etc. And they're really cool because they're gonna generate so many different options that you probably will have trouble to pick one. Look at this. Look at how many beautiful results we have. So I'm gonna stop here for this video. If you like it, please join the channel. If you want to support us, please subscribe and also join the channel as a supporter, and check our other video guides on AI and other graphic design applications. So thanks for watching. See you in the next.